Good morning. My name is Maria Andrea Barre Villamil. I'm a student of agronomy. This is my house. Description of my house. There are 2 bedrooms in my house. First, my bedroom. There is a bed. There are 2 pictures. There is a computer. There is a lamp. There is a chair. There is a desk. There is a side table. This is my dining room. There is a table. There are 6 chairs. There are 2 dishes. There are 2 glasses. There is a coat. My living room. There is a TV. There are 3 sofas. There is a door. There is a window. This is my kitchen. This is a refrigerator. There is a stove. There is a microwave. There is a cupboard. There is a window. This is my bathroom. There is a toilet. There is a mirror. There are 3 lamps. There is a skin. Thank you.